Hi, I'd like to show you how to use Google Books in our Canvas OER shell. So log into Canvas and go to our open OER resources. From the main home page, you can go to modules, or you can scroll down and go to the quick access buttons under OER repositories. This will take you to the section in modules with repositories. Scroll down and choose Google Books. And you will find information about Google Books and a short video on how to search with filters. But I'm going to show you the quick link to Google Books, which is at the top here. And then you're going to type the name of the book that you're interested in, and you could press enter or click on the search arrow. You will find several entries here, and when you see the book that you're interested in, if that is the correct one, you're going to choose it. And you can scroll. You'll see that you have pages 1 of 87. You can scroll down, or you can choose next, or you can choose all, view all. So if I choose next, it just takes me through each of the pages of the book. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is Diana, your OER coordinator. Thank you.